Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am going to explain you about area and perimeter of a rectangle. First I want to tell you what is area and what is perimeter. Suppose you have some closed shapes like this or this or this. These all shapes are flat, means the space that is occupied by this rectangle is its area. The space this triangle is occupying is its area. The space this circle is occupying is its area. So the area is the space occupying by a closed shape. So the area is the space occupied by a closed shape. Now let's move to find the perimeter of any closed shape. The perimeter is the distance around a closed shape. Like if you have a square and you want to find its perimeter, you have to add all its sides. And like if you have a rectangle and you want to find its perimeter, you have to add all the lengths of its sides. If you want to find the perimeter of this triangle, you have to find the sum of all the lengths of its sides. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total distance around a closed shape. For example, if you have this square and its all lengths are 4 centimeter, so what will be its perimeter? Its perimeter will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and it will be 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16 centimeter. The unit we will use will be the unit of the shape, because the perimeter is also a length. And if you have this for example, if you have this rectangle and its lengths are 4 centimeter and its breadth is 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So what will be its perimeter? Its perimeter will be 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12 centimeter. And if you have this triangle and you want to find its perimeter, what will you do? You will sum up all of its lengths. Suppose its lengths are 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So now you can assume that what will be its perimeter? Its perimeter will be 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9 centimeter. So I hope you got how to find the perimeter of closed shapes. Different shapes have different ways to find the area and perimeter. But in this video, I will tell you how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Before I move on, I want to tell you what is the formula. Formula is the combination of some symbols or letters or numbers that give us some easy way to find our solution of some word problems. So in this case, now I am going to tell you what is the formula of area for a rectangle and what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Now if you have this rectangle, and as you know, a rectangle has 4 sides. 2 larger sides are called its length and 2 smaller sides are called its breadth or width. So I am denoting length by L and I am denoting breadth by B. So what will be the formula of area of a rectangle? What you have to do, you have to multiply this length by this breadth, and this will be the formula of the area of a rectangle. So how you will write the formula of area? Area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. For example, this rectangle has length of 5 centimeter and breadth is equals to 2 centimeter. So what will be its area? What you will have to do? You have to put these values in this formula. Like for length, you will write 5 centimeter and for breadth, you will write 2 centimeter. And as you will multiply these two terms, you have to multiply this number by this number. 5 2s are 10 and centimeter multiplied by centimeter will be centimeter square, and this is the unit of the area. The unit of the area is always squared the unit of the shape, the unit of the length. Okay, and if you will not write the unit in the answer, you will lose the marks. Okay, so you must have to mention the units of area. And I'm telling you again, remember this thing, that the units of area are always in square form. This small 2 is representing the square. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Again, I am considering this rectangle and I want to find its parameter. So what will be the parameter? As I have explained you, the parameter is the sum of all the sides of a shape. And if I sum up all these sides like L plus B plus L plus B. So what you can get from here, that I have two lengths, means L plus L, it will be 2L, and B plus B, it will be 2B. So whenever you have this type of equation where you can take something common from the terms, like I have this term 2L, I have this term 2B, and 2 is common in these both terms. So you can take 2 out of these two terms, and inside a bracket you will be left whatever it is here, and it is L plus B. So the formula of parameter for the rectangle is P is equals to 2 bracket L plus B, or P is the parameter is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. This brackets are showing that you have to add length and breadth first, and whatever will be the sum, you have to multiply this sum by 2, and this will be your parameter. Okay, so let me show you this by an example. By the same example, if I have to find the parameter of this rectangle by this formula, so what will I do? I will just put these numerical values in this formula. 2 as it is, in the bracket you will write 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. So as I have told you, what you have to do, you have to add the sum inside the bracket first. You will not multiply this 2 by 5. First you will sum up these two terms. 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. What will be it? 7 centimeter. So you will write 7 centimeter and you will multiply this 7 by 2. So 2 sevens are 14, and 14 centimeter will be its parameter. So the unit of the parameter is the same as the unit of the length that is given to you of this shape, because parameters is also a distance. Distance is a kind of length. Hope you got it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.